Hello, kindergarten friends. Welcome back to math. Today we have a fun and exciting game called Pattern, Block, Grab. That's right, you get to grab. Now, when I say grab, I don't mean with all of your arms. I mean with your hand. You get to take one hand and dig into those pattern blocks. But then what we're going to do is we're going to try to use precision and be really precise and write down or record how many pattern blocks we got in our handful, okay? And then we have 3 jobs once we grab, and I'll explain that to you in just a minute. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pattern blocks. At home, if you only have digital pattern blocks, you can just pull them all down for 3 seconds. Just go tug, 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 tug. Pull them on that digital website, and then you can organize them once you've pulled them all down, okay? So I'm gonna take my hand, I'm going to get a handful, and I'm going to put them on my sheet. Look at all my pattern blocks. Why does that keep going upside down? Anyway, so there's our pattern blocks. And what we're going to do is the first thing I'm going to do is organize them, because as a mathematician, it's really important that you organize your things before you count them. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find all my hexagons. Do you see the hexagon? I see it. It's right here. How many hexagons do I have? Yep, just one. I'm going to move my hexagon there. All right. And then I'm going to find another shape. I'm going to find my trapezoids. Do you see the trapezoids? I'll give you a hint. They're red. Yeah, there's my trapezoids. I'm going to put my trapezoids next to my hexagons right there. Now, I'm not making shapes with them. I'm not going to make a pretty color or anything like that. I just want to put them in some type of order so we can count them correctly. All right, now let's go to our squares. Do you see our squares? They're orange. I've got, oh, there's another square. Put my squares here. Look at that. All right. Now I'm going to do my blue rhombuses, okay? My blue rhombus kind of looks like a kite or a diamond. Okay, there's my blue rhombuses. I got my skinny rhombuses too, don't I? Those are different. And last is my little bitty triangle. Look at that. So my first job is to grab and then organize them. Mathematicians always keep their things organized, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at our paper. And our paper is asking us some questions. The first question it's asking us, it has this really cool table. So our first job is to answer this question. How many of each block did you grab? Okay, so I'm going to look at the block, and then underneath it, I'm going to write how many. Okay, so does anyone remember? Let's look at my hexagons. How many hexagons did I grab? One lonely hexagon. That's right. So underneath the hexagon, I'm going to write the number 1. See that? All right. My next shape they're asking me is this trapezoid. Okay. How many trapezoids did I have? Got my hexagon. 1, 2. So under the trapezoid, I'm going to write the number 2. Very good. And next is my rhombus. Now, we've got 2 types of rhombuses here. This is the blue one right here, and this is going to be our skinny tan one. How many blue rhombuses did I get? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I got 3 blue rhombuses. Very good. I'm going to write a 3 there. Now let's look at our squares. What's next? All right, let's look at our squares. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3. Good job. I've got 3 squares. So I'm going to write the number 3 under my square. See that? Next is our skinny rhombus. I'm going to move these a little bit out of the way. Next is our skinny rhombuses. How many did I have? 2. Very good. So under my skinny rhombus, I'm going to write the number 2. And the loneliest shape of all, our triangle. How many triangles did I do? Did I grab? I grabbed 1 little triangle. So that's our first job, okay? We got our first job done. Our next job is really fun. We get to put all these numbers in order. Now you might tell me, what do you mean in order? Well, you know how we count? We practice our counting in order. That means every number's in the right place. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get it. So I want you to look at my number line. Let's take a look. And right now I'm going to cut it in half because we don't need all those big numbers. But I want us to look at our numbers and see if they're in order. So what number comes first on our number line? The 0. That's the smallest number. That means nothing, nada, zilch. You got nothing. 0. Do I have any numbers on here that are 0? I don't. But if you grab your pattern blocks and you don't have any, what number are you going to put? A 0. So if you had 0, you're going to put 0 first because that's the first number on our number line. That's our smallest number. Now, once you have your 0 down, if you get any zeros, my next number on my number line is the number 1. Do you see any number 1s? I have one right here, don't I? So I'm going to write the number 1. That's my smallest number I have. Check that off. Got it. Do you see another one? I have another number 1. I'm going to put that down there too. Those are my tiny numbers, right? Now I've got my number 1s. What comes after the number 1? The number 2. Do you see a number 2? Oh, yep, that's right. I've got a 2. Do I have another one? Yes, put those 2 2s together. I got 2 2s. 2 2s. Very good. All right. Now, we did 0. We did 1. We did 2. What's next? 3. We're going to end on our biggest number. How many 3s do I have? I have 2 3s. 3 and 3. Very good. We put our numbers in order. We're going to start with the smallest and we go up to the biggest. Now our last job is to answer this question. How many did you grab in all? You know what I have to do? I have to count all my pattern blocks. Can you help me? Now remember, good mathematicians always stay organized and they always double check. So this is going to be my first count. I want you to help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many blocks do I have? 12 blocks. So my job is to write a 12 there. And I know in my brain that a 12 is a set of 1, a 10, and 2 more. 12, okay? So your job today, you've got 3 jobs. Grab those pattern blocks and tell me how many you have in that table. Then I want you to label them and put them in order from the smallest to the largest, and then tell me how many you have in all. Good job. Have fun.